Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another quick video on the Symmetry tool, and I know if you've watched them, you might be getting tired of it, but if you go to Object Symmetry and create a new symmetry, see the lines over there, so I'm going to have to drag it to the center, and might not get on the center. You have to actually check off of it and do that. Well, you can do that, and it's right here in front of me. So my page size for my ledger is 40 by 28. I'm going to type in 20 that puts it in the center of that page or part of the page. Then I'm going to put a negative 14. So I'm in the center of the page. So when I add a other symmetry, I'm working in the center of the page. And then if you think about your live sketch tool set on 100, and if you start down at the center, the live sketch is going to take away some roughness. Look at that. I did it. A flower that quick. And you can see that it took all if we go jagged edges, look at that. Now I'm over there, but we could clear that up when we finish it and create it. So I'm going to go real slow, try to do a really good one and see how jagged it is top. Look at that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.